Hey guys, welcome. My name is Schnepf. I'm a licensed realtor here in New York City, and I just want to talk to you a little bit today about 7 tips that we can do right now to make sure that your home sells for the best possible price. Number 6 is pretty obvious, so please like, subscribe, and in the comments let me know if there's anything that you think should be added to this list. Okay, let's talk about it. So first things first is professional photography. That's key. You have no idea how many times I have tried to show people houses, and before we even got there, and they did a quick Google search or they pulled them up on Zillow or Realtor.com, that they denied the showing. For the simple fact that the photography on these websites was done by the agent on their smartphones. And yes, smartphones have wonderful cameras, but it does not compare at all to a professional photographer who can take into account lighting and can see the kind of things that you need to see inside of what's going to go into the actual photo to bring out and enhance the value of your home. So get a professional photographer. Whether you are a realtor, whether you're selling the home on your own, whether it's your first home sale, whether it's your 100th home sale, don't make this mistake. Do not cut out a portion of your potential buyers before they even step foot in the door. To kind of piggyback on that, and maybe number 2 is do a video walkthrough. I mean, we're in the day and age of technology. Why not be able to sell to somebody who is a few states away, another country away, in a whole different time zone, or maybe they can't leave the house, or maybe they don't want to leave the house very readily and willingly. So why not have a video walkthrough? Something where they can go online, they can see the entire layout of the house, sort of like a dollhouse, and click through the rooms, and click and go through room 1 into room 2, from the kitchen to the basement, to the bedroom, to the outside, to the attic, so that they can see the closet space, so that they can understand everything that's going on and be fully immersed in the property. So now when they step foot in the door, it's probably for a home inspection because they've already put an offer and they may have already won the bid, right? There's companies out there like Matterport, or you can even have the photographer use his cameras to do a Zillow 3D layout. Whatever it is, get it done. It's going to attract more buyers and more attention to your property, and that's key. Whether it's your home or whether you're a realtor selling your listing, this is important. Number 3, and these are in no particular order of importance, but this one is big. Do not overprice your home. The market right now is crazy. Will it always be that way? No. There's ups and downs, ebbs and flows in every market that's out there. So the simple fact of being able to price your home properly is going to bring you more buyers. So I'll get into this a little bit more in a future video, talking about pricing strategy, but right now I just want to touch on it a little bit. If you know that your home is worth $500,000 and you put it on the market for $600,000, buyers out there, they're not stupid. They're going to understand that your home is overpriced. And rather than give you an offer that they feel may insult you, they just won't show up. And guess what? No one's going to buy your home if at the open house there's 3 people there, or no one shows up at all. So a key strategy is price it correctly or slightly under, bring in more people, more eyes and ears, more potential buyers, and allow them to bid each other to the price that you want. Homes will always sell for their value, if not more. Just you have to make sure that you attract the customers into the property to begin with. Number 4, and this goes for people out there trying to get their home sold, whether it's your listing, whether it's your personal home, whether it's your investment property. If you're trying to get your home sold promptly and for the highest possible price, what you need to do is host a delayed open house. Yes, a delayed open house. Why is that? If you put the home on the market on Thursday and your first open house is on Sunday, not too many people will have time to take it in, view the listing, mark it on their calendars, put it in their saves or their favorites to get there to see the home. Now your first open house is going to have a quarter of the potential people who would have showed up if you had delayed it a little bit. put your home on the market and schedule an open house for 7 to 10 days after it was put on the market. What this is going to do is give enough people time to understand that they want to go there. You're going to have a lot of traffic to the common websites where these homes are listed. Realtor.com, Zillow, Trulia.com, the MLSs, all over the internet, Google searches. People will have enough time to understand and make time in their schedules that they need to be there at that first open house. And another thing that's key, do no private showings until that first open house. Make up an excuse. Oh, I'm sorry, the floors are being done. Oh, we're doing some touch-ups and cosmetics. I'm out of town for the week. Give them something, okay? But make sure that no one sees the house until that first open house. At that first open house, you want to have as many eyes and ears in that building as possible. You want there to be a line outside of people waiting to see your property so that they can see that this house is desired, so that they can see that they have competition. Make them wait outside on a line. Allow them to use proper social distance and follow all rules and regulations, but allow them to see that there's competition so that when they leave the open house or during the open house, they say, we need to get in an offer fast and we need to make it a good one because these other 30 or 40 families are ready to buy the property. This is the most important tactic to getting your home sold fast and for high value, because now you bring in 10, 12, 15 offers and they compete with each other. Instead of you as a homeowner or as a realtor trying to sell people on the higher price of the property, let them sell each other. Let them see the competition and bid the price up. Number 5, do the repairs. Clean it up. Do some maintenance. Do some landscaping. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to quit your job, okay? But if you want to sell your home, you need to make a good first impression. Paint over that hole in the wall. Fix it up. Patch it. Make sure that everything's nice. Fix the leaky sink. That light switch that maybe it doesn't work, change it. Do everything that you can do within your power to make the home's first impression to these people a good one. Because at the end of the day, that's what's going to get it sold. People are going to say to themselves, man, you know, that house, that last one that we just saw, I really like that one. And they're going to keep it in their memory. They're going to walk to the front door. They're going to see landscaping. It's beautifully done. They're going to enter. They're going to see a fresh coat of paint. They're going to smell the fresh coat of paint. They're going to see floors that are in great shape, walls that have no damages. They're going to see light fixtures that are wonderful and fully functional. They're going to see a kitchen that is free of anything broken or may need repair. They're going to be seeing sinks and bathrooms and bathtubs and boilers in working order, and it's going to be a relief to them, and it's going to be a relief to you. You have no idea how much money a repair that may be $300 to fix actually equates to in a buyer's head. A buyer may see, oh, well, this needs to be done. The sink needs to be done. That wall needs to be fixed. And it may only cost you $400 or $500, but it may make the difference of thousands of dollars in their offers. So save yourself the money, save yourself the headaches, make a good first impression, and fix your house. There are a lot of real estate companies that you can go to who will offer you those services. Let's say you don't have the money to make these repairs. There are contractors who you can hire who will offer you these same services. If you don't have the money to make the repairs, they can make the repairs for you, whether it's through a realtor, whether it's through the contractor themselves, and then they will get paid when you sell the home. And this is done. This is common. And a lot of people don't know of this strategy. So talk to your local contractors, talk to a local realtor, and understand how you can acquire these services. So these things are key. And you can even use this strategy of talking to a contractor or a realtor to help you get the money to fix these things without coming out of your pocket and then taking it out of the proceeds of the sale when you finally close. So maybe your home does need a new roof. Maybe your home does need new siding. Maybe the boiler or the heating system are not in working order. Maybe there are major repairs that need to be done that will affect your bottom line. So you may spend, by using a contractor, $20,000 to make these major repairs, but that will save you $50,000 or more when it comes to negotiating the price of the sale of your home. So it's going to be worth it. Let them do it. Put it in the contract where it comes out of the closing, and allow yourself some peace of mind. It's so important to have the peace of mind that your home will sell. Because remember, these properties, you may get an offer that you love, and then it goes to inspection, and then they come at you to renegotiate. So save yourself all that trouble, fix everything up, get it inspected yourself, hire a local inspector there, not too expensive, depends on your market, and just understand that what could be taken care of is taken care of, so that when you're negotiating with confidence. This is important. Number 6, and this should be common sense, but you have no idea how often it is not commonly done, and it completely ruins the sale of a home. Turn on the lights. Open the doors, open the shades, let in the sunlight. Make the rooms as bright, inviting, and accessible as possible. Don't let people go on their own accord to open your bedroom door at an open house, or to open a closet door at an open house, or to open the door that leads to the basement in the open house, because they will always second guess themselves. Can I go in this room? Can I look at this closet? What are they hiding? Why is this closed? And it will make them have a feeling of uneasiness that you do not want them to have. Open the windows, let in the sunlight, turn on all the lights. You say, but Matthew, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't need all the lights turned on. Yes, you do. You need every light turned on in the house as possible. This is a psychological trick that changes the perspective of the buyers when they're looking for a home to purchase, and it works. Do it. This is number 7. And there's no order of importance, like I said in the beginning, but this one is key. Bring in a lender. Bring in a mortgage loan officer, whether you're selling your own home on your own or you're a realtor in the business. Bring in a lender for your open houses. You say, but I don't know any lenders. Call one. Do a Google search. Call your local mortgage loan officer. Check their reviews. Bring them in. Call them. Say, hey, I'm selling my home. You want to come host an open house with me? They will jump at the chance to bring in new business. And what this adds to your open house is amazing, because they can actually go over the finances of potential buyers right there at your open house. So whether you're a realtor or a home seller, they can help you get the job done. They can tell people what they're qualified for just with a brief conversation. They can help go over what kind of offers that they can put down based on their qualifications and their finances. And they can also discuss numbers. This is what they do. They understand purchasing homes and getting loans and mortgages from banks. They can go over the different types of loans, from FHA to conventional to VA. They have all of this knowledge. So bring them in and let them help you get your home sold for the best and highest possible price. And if you're selling your home on your own, this brings an added level of seriousness and professionalism to your open houses. So do it, and don't waste your time. Understand how important this is. And all 7 of these tips and tricks to get your home sold for the highest possible price, whether you're a realtor, whether you're a homeowner, whether it's your investment property, are extremely important. So take them into mind and understand that the next time or right now that you have a home for sale, to follow these steps, and you will help maximize the value of your home's purchase price. Again, my name is Matthew Schnepf. So let me know down below if you have any comments or any questions, or if there's anything you would change in this list, or that you want me to tweak or go over more in depth. I'd be happy to help. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys soon.